Miss Alamama here. I have been waiting to do this video for a while. Let's measure your average cup to the measuring cup and the teaspoon tablespoons to the measuring teaspoons and tablespoons. Teaspoon first. I'm measuring a teaspoon of sugar. And now we're going to put it into the 5 ml teaspoon measure. And as you can see, this is way too much. Usually, it doesn't matter. But when you're doing baking, it definitely matters, as baking is more of a science than any other cooking. And now the tablespoon. This was a surprise. The household tablespoon was a little bit less, maybe, a couple of milliliters to the measuring tablespoon. And this was the biggest surprise. So 1 full cup of sugar, your household coffee tea mug, is 1 1/4 cups of the measured ones. So this can make a huge difference when you're baking. So now you know. I will try and do a video on liquid measurements as well.